shape and confidence. Having a look at some of the untested youngsters. Borja Martinez in and Raul Garcia out after another good game.
Borja, 19-year-old, part of the Spanish under-17 side. Samu, meanwhile, well, he might be ready to play. The 23-year-old plucked away from Almeria. Cato to the center. Stevenson with a blast, deflected, and Moya stays with it. More dangerous than it looked.
Easy pickings, straight at the goalkeeper. Two bouncer, no problem. Did he have another option? I think he may have done. Thompson looking to invite the ball into him.
Into the middle of the park. Little back heel from Hernandez. And a lunge from Cato. Gift wrapped by Bartlett. Out comes Meredith to make the stop. Bartlett didn't hear the footsteps. Now it's Atletico's youth that are shining. Good hustle. Saul almost broke the deadlock. Here's Mario lifting it, but the ball bent too much. No chance for Borja.
Wonderfully put out by Quito originally, but then, as you said, gift wrapped on the way back by Brandon Bartlett. Unlucky.
Referee Ramon Hernandez having a few words. Getting a few back from Emi Insua.
Is that a good game, the referee, Phil?
Yes, he has. He was one of the replacement referees when the refs went on strike, but has done well here today.
Yeah.
Cronin talked about the Tar Heels. He's from the other end, Wake Forest.
The Deacons.
Demon Deacons.
Demon Deacons.
Scooped by Cronin nicely. Here's Caval. Stanford, while you're on a roll.
Stanford Cardinal.
Headed back for Cato. Flips it forward. Played by Mario. Left-footed by Insua away. Caval back to Meredith.
Well played.
Schuler looking good. Cato even better. Back to Schuler. One man on his inside. A little soft, but Stevenson gets there. Bartlett, Cato, laid back. Thompson, Bartlett couldn't bring it under control. Good build-up, but nothing to show for it. Maybe here, Cronin forcing the lunging tackle from Guilherme. Siqueira's been busy. Final 15 minutes approach. And again, this is a cup, even if it isn't really between teams, but between continents. Ooh, from behind, dancing away from the danger, Samu. There needs to be a winner. Alianza victorious on penalties last night. And actually went to extra kicks. Little touch to the center, past Samu, and swept away by Harden. Casito a little late to that one as Manquillo comes away with it. Poor pass to the middle, and now a chance for the Quakes. Thompson and Schuler wide for Cato. Let it go back. Cato now double teamed. Takes it wide. Got the touch. Could have gone the other way.
Didn't have many options. Once they started tightening up on him, wasn't able to release anything on the inside. But again, impressive play by young Cato. Just waiting for that little run from Thompson into that space, and you'll find him.
Stevenson had been playing at Allison's before his passport brought him to California.
Atletico so good at closing down the lanes so quickly, even again.